Hello everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, we will understand the tire wear pattern, identify its causes and provide remedial solutions. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand different types of tire wears, identify the causes for tire wear and find remedies to rectify tire wear. Let us collect the tools, equipment and material required for this. Trainees toolkit 1, pressure gauge 1, inspection lamp with guard 1, wheel spanner set 1, compressor 1, jack 1, cotton waste as required, oil can as required. Let us look at the different types of tire wears that we can encounter. Rapid wear at the shoulder, rapid wear at the center, cracked tires, wear on one side, feather edge, bald spots and scalloped wear. We will now learn to identify the types of tire wear. A feathered wear pattern across both wheels indicates toe wear. An uneven wear pattern indicates camber wear. Irregular tire wear around the circumference of the tire tread indicate cupped wear. An uneven wear can also be caused due to the varied size of the tires. An overwear of the outside edges can be caused due to low air pressure. An overwear over the center of the tire can be caused due to high air pressure. Causes for uneven tire wear: underinflation or overinflation of the tire, lack of rotation of the tire, excess speed of the vehicle, excess camber, incorrect toe, unbalanced wheel or tire defect, misalignment of the wheels and suspension. Remedies for uneven tire wear: adjust tire air pressure to the specified level, adjust tire camber to the specified level, adjust toe to the specified level, balance the wheel dynamically and inspect suspension and rotate the tire periodically. In this video, we have learned to understand different types of tire wears, identify the causes for tire wear, and find remedies to rectify tire wear. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.